welcome to my secret second channel and one of our favorite series, Stuff That Didn't Make It. We haven't done one of these in a while. I think we've just been so efficient. Most of the products have in fact made it into the main channel videos. But today we have 8 things here that just didn't get here in time, or they're technically like a deleted scene. We've got a little bit of everything. Everything from mystery boxes from brands to advent calendars is gonna be a fun one. Well, this first one was a whole fiasco of an experience. So if you watch my main channel, you will remember I was the victim of this advertisement and I had to get it for that video that I was doing. And in order to get it, I tried not once but twice to order this thing from 2 separate websites. The original ad was from a place called Real Touch, so we ordered that one first, and that one came first a couple weeks late. And then the second one I ordered was from Walmart, and that one came an additional week later. Neither anywhere near in time for the video. So I ended up returning the Walmart one, but I figured I would give this Real Touch one a shot on this channel. I don't have the highest hopes for it, this creepy little hands massager. It was also expensive. It was like $80. But Call Me Chris actually tried it on her channel recently and she enjoyed it. She gave it an 8 out of 10. So maybe it'll be worth the wait. This is how it came, by the way. Like, for $80, you think it would come in like a fancy box. It actually makes it look high tech. New massage, new sensation. Here it is. It's so creepy. This little like Shrek hands. Oh, is this heat? Okay, slow down. The modes are not very different from each other, I'm not gonna lie. All I'm noticing is like 3 that are exactly the same and then 1 that's a little slower. I don't know, it's not bad, but it's not good, and it's just very repetitive. You know what I mean? Like you could basically, for $80, go buy an actual professional massage. I felt like $80 was a lot, but apparently all of these like massager doodad things you can buy are like $100, which is crazy to me. It looks so weird. Why'd they have to give it hands? I don't know. Does it do what it's supposed to do? Sure. Do I feel like it's worth $80? No. And going with the theme of the video, like it just felt like a weird ad to target me with. It's just not really something that I really desired, but wait. You wanna come see him? Wait, he kinda likes it, he kinda likes it. Okay, maybe we found a use case for it. Okay, this next little guy is a mystery box from the brand Halara, which is an affordable activewear company. All right, let's see what they sent. Ta-da. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Ooh, are these like a lounge legging? Those are comfy. They're like really soft. Kind of like a thin fleecy material on the inside and then this silky elastic waistband. Those are great for like just lounging. Next item. Oh, it's the matching top. I love this fabric. Okay, and then there's like a shirt version that has like a scoop neck. This fabric is amazing. You can probably kind of see how it's kind of fleecy. It's like the perfect winter outfit. All right, and then in here definitely looks like some jeans. I live in their jeans because they're like activewear jeans. They market them as like the sweatpant jean and it could not be more accurate. They are so comfy. Okay, these ones just look like a good classic kind of wide leg jean. I just love the waistbands. They're nice and high waisted. Literally look like jeans but feel like pajama pants. It's the best thing ever. Okay, that was a fun little mystery box. All right. Are you guys ready for this next one? So we're throwing it all the way back to my 2-part series where I asked 100 YouTubers to send me a mystery box. I was absolutely shocked how many responses I got, like enough that I needed 2 full parts. But I had 1 box show up a little bit late from one of the YouTubers, and it's from MrBeast. In my main video, I did an intro for all the YouTubers. I don't think MrBeast needs an intro. I think everybody knows exactly who he is, but all right, and here's the box. Ta-da! Okay, so this box was not actually for my video. He definitely just ghosted me on that. This looks like it's a promotion for Beast Games. And it says, enjoy my fortune, smiley face MrBeast. And then we just have a ton of fortune cookies. And at first I was like, okay, like I like a fortune cookie. I like a fortune cookie just fine, but why this many? And then I got to thinking, what if there's $100 in each of these cookies? What if there's an invite to be in Beast Season 3 in one of these cookies? So we have to open them all and find out. Or they really could just be 20 generic fortunes. But first cookie, limited fortune series, 1056 of 2000, and it says, keep going. That's how almost everything gets solved, MrBeast. Are they just gonna be MrBeast quotes? Wait. The battle for 5 million. Strength wins when excuses stop. I think it's just all gonna be like motivational quotes. Be strong enough to start. All right, we're gonna speed open these and see if there's anything like spectacular in any of them. This one has lucky numbers on it. Oh, this one's limited fortune 490 of 2000. This one says you may soon find yourself in the heart of the action. Man, they could have thrown at least $100 bill in one of these cookies. The answer is already in your head. All right, well, now we have a lot of fortune cookies to eat. One of my 2026 goals is to go to more concerts because there are so many artists that I love that I haven't seen live yet. And I have been looking all over the internet to find the best deal, and I keep finding my way back to SeatGeek, who is in fact the sponsor of today's video. SeatGeek is the #1 rated ticket app where you can buy and sell tickets to live events. There are more than 70,000 events listed on SeatGeek, including concerts, sports, festivals, and more. So many of my favorite artists, including Ariana Grande, Harry Styles, and Olivia Dean, are going on tour this year, and SeatGeek always has the best deals on tickets. I used SeatGeek when I went to see Wicked live when they were on tour, and it was such a great ticket buying experience because they have your back when it comes to the best deals, because each ticket is rated on a scale 1 through 10, so you know whether you're getting a good deal or not. Every ticket is backed by their buyer guarantee, which is so nice because you know that you will not be getting scammed. Plus, the US is hosting the World Cup this year, which is huge, so make sure to grab your tickets now on SeatGeek before they are gone. You can scan this QR code on the screen or click the link in the description and use code HOPESCOPE for 10% off your SeatGeek tickets. Thank you so much, SeatGeek, for sponsoring. Back to the video. Back in December, I bought basically every viral advent calendar, the ones that I thought actually looked cute and worth it. And one that kept popping up in all of the like best advent calendar lists and blogs was this $110 chocolate advent calendar. It's in this cute little cabin shape and it features 24 handcrafted chocolates. The brand is Melt London. Looks really fancy. Loghouse advent calendar. I love an advent calendar that's like adorable enough that you can use it as an advent calendar, but it also kind of doubles as a decoration. And I'm thinking that's what this one's gonna be. Oh, it's so cute. It just showed up too late. Oh, it's actually adorable. Like, it's very 4D, the little logs and stuff. It looks like it opens on both sides. The heart cutouts on the windows on the side. This is so well done. But $110 is a lot. Are these gonna be the best chocolates I've ever had in my life? Okay, so that's 13 through 24. Swiss Ski Chalet. All right, box number 1. They're just little guys. And then the side says what it is. Speculous Praline Delight. Oh, she's cute with the little gold glitters on the top. Good. 2. Almond Sensation. Oh, they're just like little chocolate covered almonds. 3, exotic roasted green tea. Interesting combination. Flares of the sun to emblazon winter. There's 3 little sticks in here. Oh, it's an orange stick. That was such a dramatic name for a tiny orange stick. So far everything's been dark chocolate. Gonna be anything else? Wild chocolate from the Amazon. Oh, those are cute. Heavenly hazelnut, more dark chocolate. Ooh, citrus explosion. Looks like it might not be dark. Oh yeah, that one's pretty good. More dark chocolate. Black sesame. No, that's scary. It has literal sesame seeds on the top. Smoky fudgy sea salt caramel. No, that sounds like a good time. It's in that cute melt chocolate design. I love that. Yeah, that one's good. I'd get a whole little pack of those. I don't really know where the smoky's coming from, but it is a good sea salt milk chocolate. Melts in your mouth. Pistachio Katafi. That's basically Dubai chocolate, but in a little ball. It literally is, with the crunch and everything. I don't know what that last word is. Okay, second side. This one's called The Perfect Marriage. Pistachio and hazelnut. Spiced mediance. Some of these names do nothing to hint what it actually is. Gingerbread caramel. That sounds good. Oh, it's like an actual caramel. Best thing I've ever had in my whole life. That's so good. Wow. A salted praline cup, crunchy speculoos biscuit, salted peanut cup, coffee walnut, macadamia nuts, creamy oat chocolate. That one sounds good. Sea salt biscuit, the Persian king of nuts, fanciest candy titles, and 24, a Christmas pudding finale. Obviously we have to try that with the one singular snowflake sprinkle. This is the finale. I mean, it's good, but a pretty mid finale. No, this is cute. I've had like a bunch of different advent calendar style candy calendars, and this is one of the better ones. Like, it's good chocolate for sure. It's just hard when I'm like, I probably only loved like 5 of the 24. Fun experience if you get it as a gift. All right, these next two items are technically more like a deleted scene because I have an upcoming video on my main channel where I test viral products against the fake version. And then I'm taking both of them, putting them to the test and seeing if my subscribers can tell the difference. And there were two designer products that I had planned for this video that just didn't work out. The first one is this Van Cleef bracelet. It's the clover design that I'm sure you have seen everywhere. It's called the Alhambra bracelet, and it actually first dropped in 1968. I didn't know it had been around that long, and it's actually inspired by the tile work in the Alhambra Palace in Spain. It has been a classic for high society type people for decades, but it has recently become like the it bracelet for everyone from influencers to rappers. It was like a quiet luxury item, but I feel like it's not really as quiet anymore, especially since the knockoffs are everywhere you look. So the fake. This one is pretty easy to find. It was $15.98 on Amazon for a 3-pack. So what is that? A little over $5 a piece. But the real one, on the other hand, is actually pretty difficult to get a new one. I wasn't expecting that. I called like every Van Cleef boutique within a 2-state radius and they are sold out. Except they did have this one white gold diamond one, but it's $33,000 and that's not gonna happen. And then I was too afraid to get it used because I'm terrified that I'm gonna get scammed. I finally did find somebody that could order me a real one, but it would have arrived way after we filmed this video, so I just canceled it. But now I have this Amazon one. And we had like a whole little bit planned where I was gonna get the Amazon bracelet because it's suspicious, like $5, but it's claiming 18 karat gold plated and then stainless steel on the inside. That seems like a pretty big, promise for something that was $5. Oh my gosh, cute. So it came with all gold one, the white one that has kind of this like pearlescent to it on one side, and then the other side's just gold though. And then the black one, which I feel like is a classic. The reason I first found Van Cleef, they have a ring that's this design and it flips to 2 different colors, and I wanted it so bad. And then I looked it up and it was $5,000 and they said, oh, never mind, maybe someday. The real one does have the color on both sides, whereas this one is just like flat gold on the back. I knew it. I was like, something seems off about this. But if you didn't see the back of it, maybe you could be fooled. I don't know. Anyway, so the bit that we were gonna do is we ordered a literal metal testing kit because I really want to know if this is 18 karat gold. It just doesn't seem like it. All right, so I'm gonna scratch my bracelet on this till it leaves a mark, and then we have our 18 karat testing solution. We squirt it on, and if the line disappears, it's a fake. So here we go. If it partially dissolves, then it may contain 1 to 10 carats. If it stays, then it's 10 carats or greater. If it does not dissolve, it is truly 18 carats or greater. If it does, questionable. I know, this feels really bad for the jewelry. What if it doesn't leave a gold line? What? Am I doing it wrong? Does that mean there's no gold in it if it's not leaving? Guys, this isn't a good sign. Okay, so there's a mark, but it doesn't look gold is the issue. We'll just put the solution on it and see what happens. You can, yeah, see it like dissolving. Also, this is like green, what I just wiped, which is not a good sign. Basically, I don't think it's gold. Because like we couldn't even start the test correctly. Interesting. Like, it's cute, but I just don't like that they're like claiming that it's really nice metal when it's not actually really nice metal. Next was also part of that same video. In this box, I have a cheap version of an Hermes Birkin bag. This was $64.99, which isn't like that cheap, so I'm hoping it's at least like a decent quality bag. The brand is called Baginning, which I think is adorable actually. Here she is in the most luxurious packaging ever. Oh my gosh, and it comes with a twilly. Okay, so here's the problem with this one. You may have already guessed. The real ones are so expensive. Like, they're almost impossibly rare to actually get from an Hermes store in the first place, making the resale prices skyrocket into tens of thousands of dollars. So we looked into renting a real one, but the problem is the plot on my video is that if my subscriber can guess the real thing, they get to keep it, and they can't really like keep a rental purse, so she didn't make it into the video. But if you guys promise to watch that video when it comes out on my main channel, and that video goes well, part 2 maybe with a real Birkin someday, I don't know. All right, well, let's unbox this since it's here. This is an orange one, which I feel like is just the Hermes classic color. You know what? It's adorable. Coming from someone that has never so much as like touched the real thing, I I think it's cute. It's not real leather, but it has that like texture that a real leather would have. I like that they like covered all the hardware to keep it from scratching. There's definitely like loose threads, you know, things that you would expect from a bag that's not $20,000. Also, Birkins come in like a few different sizes. I'm assuming this is one of the smaller ones. Is this how an actual one opens? This is so complicated. It's like this layer, this layer, this layer. That's a lot of work just to open your purse. Oh, comes with a strap. Whoa, and a lock and a key, okay. Oh, it comes with two of these little things. This is like an Hermes thing that you get their little scarves and you like wrap them around the handle. This is what the fancy ladies do. The teal and the orange is fun together. Okay, I feel like for $60, this is actually a decent little bag. What are all these pieces though? Like, and then it comes with this little thing, which would say Hermes if it was Hermes, but it's not. It just says nothing. Would my subscriber have been able to tell the difference between this and a real one? We may never know. The other problem is if it was rented, it probably would have been like a little bit used, and maybe that would have like given it away. It's a tricky one. Maybe someday I'll figure out how to do it. I'm really excited for this next one. This one, I'm gonna say, is a bonus scene, not so much something that didn't make it. So in my YouTuber mystery boxes video, I had a secret little contest. The creators didn't know this, but whoever sent me the best mystery box would win an ultimate mystery box for one of their subscribers. And the winner that I picked, pause it right now and go watch that video if you don't want it spoiled. It was Crafter. The box that she made me was just so thoughtful and like a genuinely fun unboxing experience. So one of her subscribers got all of this fun stuff. It was a mix of items from all of the YouTubers mystery boxes, and she loves it. I'm so glad. And Jackie, aka Nerdy Crafter, wanted to send me a little thank you gift, which is so nice. She did not have to do that. Like, she already sent enough in the box, but she knows that I love PopMart. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hey Hope, how are you doing? I was recently at the PopMart flagship store. Wait, I didn't realize she went to the flagship in Shanghai. My dream. Immediately thought of you with this full set of Peach Riot. A little birdie told me you were collecting them. Hoping you get the rare. Much love, Jackie. I'm so excited. That was so nice. Like in a different country and she's thinking of me. That is too kind. Ooh, and a little bonus one. Criminal Suspects. This is a cool box with like the black and white photo. Kind of looks like newspapers. All the little choices you could get. There's 2 secrets. Oh, these are cute. I wonder if they're gonna be like black and white like that. The one with the kitty ears is cute, or this one that has like a little fox on her head. Let's open this first. They're colorful! That's so cool. It's like a little sheep in wolf's clothing. Get it? Oh, and it comes with more stuff. Manor Mystery. And then it comes with this tiny wolf. That was a fun little bonus. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's the sleepover collection. I'm so excited for this. Look how cute these all are. There's not a bad one in this bun. Oh my goodness. I don't know if there's like a secret necessarily in this one. All right, let's just dive in. Oh, the secret's so cute. I need her. Oh, these are gonna be adorable on my shelf. Boxes are fun. They all have this like slight glittery look to them. First one, it's Gigi brush teeth, and her little towel on her head is like flocked. Look at the little kitty on her leg. Oh, these are cute. Next box. Oh, Gigi star. This one's stunning. It's Poppy Cloud. Oh, I love it. I was waiting for this one, but it sold out before I could get any of it, so I'm so happy. Poppy Yawn. Oh, I love her. And her slippers are flocked. Gigi Alarm. Oh, that's a cute one. Frankie Morning Coffee. That is a good one. I love the sitting ones. Frankie Night Tea. Oh my gosh, this one's tiny. This is Gigi Prank Call, and she comes with a little phone, and her bunny slippers are fluffy. All right, 4 more chances to get the secret. This is one of my favorites. Frankie Pillow Fight and the little cat onesie. I actually wanted this one more than the secret one, low-key. It's Poppy Face Mask. She sits on this little fluffy blanket, and then she can hold her little drink, and then her face mask can clip on and off. That's so brilliant. Cute as that. All right, 2 more. Frankie Moon. Last one is either Poppy Breakfast or the Secret Poppy. If it's not the Secret, I will be hunting for that one because I actually need it. It's the Breakfast one. Oh my gosh, the little flying kitty. That's so fun. All right, the hunt for the Secret continues. Jackie, thank you so much. That was so nice. Thanks again, SeatGeek, for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to scan this QR code on the screen and use code HOPESCOPE for 10% off of SeatGeek tickets. I think that you would really like this video next that's on the screen. See you over there.